Hello friends, welcome to Android Gateway YouTube channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to pass Gotranscript MCQs test as well as audio test. So first of all, you must read Gotranscription guideline rule. This will help you during the exam because audio test is very important and you need to read all these guidelines 1 to 2 times. This will help you during the audio test exam. It will also help you in MCQs test. So let's move to the MCQs test first and start the MCQs test. And first question is, which sentence is correctly capitalized and punctuated? There are 4 different options and the correct option is C. I like to use Facebook, then comma, and then other sentence. It is my favorite way to keeping in touch with the relatives. So C option is correct of first question. Second question is, which sentence is correctly capitalized and punctuated? So there are 4 different options, sorry, 5 different options, and correct option is B. She come to me and said, then comma and then quotation mark start and other sentence. So second question answer is B. How should you transcribe spoken contraction in clean verbatim? So we simply check in Gotranscription guideline page using Ctrl plus F command. So you see, never change spoken contraction, for example this one. So according to the transcription guideline rules, B option is correct. And fourth question is, I dash a good student. There is 5 different options and correct option is I am a good student. So am is the correct option of fourth question. Fifth question is, full verbatim include. So we simply check in Gotranscription guideline page and in full verbatim section, those are speech error, false start, filler word, slang word, starter, repetition. So full verbatim includes starter, slang word, filler word, false start, repetitions, and speech error. All 6 options are correct. Fifth question. Sixth question is, if the audio has no sound. There are 2 different options and correct option is, think like a client. If audio is not playing for a technical reason, report this file and do not submit. So if you have any doubt about this question, you simply check in transcription guideline. Next question is, full verbatim does not include. So in early we see these are included in full verbatim. Starter include, false start also include in full verbatim, speech error, filler, slang word, repetition. But the G option, this slash or line are not included in full verbatim. So 7th question answer is G. 8th question is, sound made by the person speaking are always. If you have any doubt, you simply check in transcription guideline. Sound that the speaker make always on the same line and always in the present sentence. So according to the transcription guideline rule, on the same line and in the present sentence is the correct option of its question. Ninth question is I dashed to the gym last night. So correct option of ninth question is I went to the gym last night. And tenth and last question is which sentences his are correctly capitalized and punctuated. There are four different options, and according to the transcription guideline rules, first option is correct and third option is correct. These two options correct of 10th question. After all, you need to click on confirm. After clicking on confirm, you move to the next page of Gotranscript audio test. So please check video description. There is a link for audio test. So I hope this video is helpful for you, and please like this video, and also do not forget to subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you very much. See you soon.